What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. I'm a big fan of using the ear or the headset. But the problem is that there are really very few. But I order another one from Amazon. You can check the link in the description box below. So here is my unboxing and a review of it. Even I will comparing this MICWL headset with this one. This is a $1. This is like a 35 US dollar one. Is there a different? We'll find out. Jump to the unboxing table. Here is the headset headphone. Let me now open the packaging. Here we go. So the packaging seems quite nice. So the brand is MICWL or MICWL. Here's their website. You can go to their website for more details, micwl.com or micwlaudio.com. Now let me open the microphone out. Let me put aside the box. I really like their packaging. They really impress me with good packaging. This mic is not really expensive. It costs less than 20 US dollars. You can buy from AliExpress or eBay. So now let me put this microphone on my head and then now do some test of it. I really like this one. You can get black color or this beige or skin color. Now jump back to me. So now I'm wearing this headphone. Let me monitor the audio live. Yes, audio live. Okay, if you have a beard, it's much better you buy the ear hanging headphone rather than this one because it rub across my ear, my beard, not my ear, my beard, as you can see. But I think I can do like this. I can do a little bit up. Yeah, there will be a little bit decrease in the quality of the volume because it's a little bit up. It need to be like this, but still I'm hearing quite good. You need to be the judge how good is the, to be honest with the headset. I'm really enjoying it. I mean, as you can see, I put the wire under from my under my shirt, as you can see. To be honest with you, this is a really very good, but I need to make it up because I don't want to have that rubbing sound with my beer. I think now it's okay. Yeah, I think so. Now it's okay. So you need to be the judge. I really like the quality of it. The quality is absolutely rock solid. At the end of the day, I don't think so you can buy any headset better than this one for under like 50 bucks. So this is a must buy. Do not forget to check out my links in the description box below. Also follow me on my Facebook and Twitter. It was me, Gmail. Leave your comment. Bye.